In figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. So 8.13 figure have been given. PQR, a triangle is there in this. PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, first of all we have to find the length of QR, this one. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that PR square will be equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR is 13 centimeter square is equal to PQ is 12 centimeter square plus QR. We have to find out that we don't have QR right as it is. Now solve the square of 13 square. It will be 169 is equal to 12 square of 12 is 144 plus QR square. So we will take 144 to the other side. It will become minus 144 is equal to QR square. So minus we will do of these two. We will get 25 is equal to QR square. When we will remove square of QR, under root will be there on 25. Because of square, when we removed this square, it will put under root on 25. So when under root we will solve of 25, we will get 5. So QR this side is equal to 5 centimeter. So QR we got 5 centimeter here. Now come to the sum tan P minus cot R. But first of all we have to find tan P. What is tan P? According to the sum tan P we have to find P. Where is this? Is the tan P. So tan P means tan P is equal to tan P means opposite side of angle P divided by adjacent side of angle P. Now what is opposite side of angle P? This is angle P. Its opposite is this side QR divided by adjacent side which is P is this, and its adjacent side is this which is along with it. So PQ is the adjacent side. Now when we will fill value tan P is equal to QR is QR we got as this. We found out 5 centimeter divided by PQ is 12 centimeter. So this is tan P is equal to 5 over 12. Now cot R. Where is R angle? R angle is this one. So cot R, cotangent cot R means adjacent side of this angle. Adjacent is QR and opposite side of this angle, that is this one. So cot R adjacent side of angle R divided by opposite opposite side of angle R. What is the adjacent side of R? That is QR divided by opposite side of R, that is PQ. So cot R is equal to QR is again 5 centimeter divided by PQ is 12 centimeter. Now we have been given tan, what we have to find out? Tan P minus cot R. So tan P, value of tan P we got as QR divided by PQ minus QR divided by PQ. So values whatever we found, those we have to fill up. QR over PQ is 5 divided by 12 minus QR over PQ we found, that also same 5 over 12. Now we will solve this. What we will get? LCM of 12 is 12, then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 over 12. When 0 is divided by 12 we will get 0. So 0 is the answer.